children, welcome to my channel Anuradha Online Classes. Today I am present before you to take class 7th and second chapter of NCERT, that is what? Fractions and decimals. इसको पढ़े इससे पहले आपको पता होना चाहिए what are fractions. Fractions actual में होते क्या है? That you have read in class 6th also. Fraction is the part of a whole. मतलब एक complete. See, this is one complete circle. One complete circle के हमने 4 parts किए. And that should be equal. 4 equal parts किए, right? 4 equal parts किए, तो one part I have given to someone. Suppose I have given this to Ram. Okay, means if I ask you उसको कितना मिला, how you will tell? एक पूरे complete के हमने 4 part किए, like this you will tell? No, you will say कि उसको जो है complete circle का 1/4 मिला. What you will say? 1/4. 1/4. 1/4 mila. That means 1/4 means how you can write 1/4. Means when a number is represented in the form of numerator and denominator. When we represent a number in the form of numerator and denominator, then that is known as what? Fraction. So fraction is having two things in it. First is numerator and second is denominator. जिसको हम divide करते हैं. Suppose this is one circle को हमने कितने parts में divide किए? That is 4. One को हमने 4 parts में divide किया. तो 1 is जिसको जो complete चीज होती है, जो complete चीज है उसको कितने times हमने divide किया? That we are writing in the bottom, right? So the above is known as numerator and the downwards this is known as, जिससे आप divide करते हो, that is known as denominator. Denominator. Right children? But in this all about this you have read in class 6. अब 7th में आपको इसके आगे भी पढ़ना है. What are the different types of, see, fractions are of different types. That also you know little bit. See, if I'll say fraction, okay, one more thing in this is all the parts should be equal. Suppose I have made this, right? And 4, 5, 6. Okay, I have made this. This is 4 and then I have done this. So can you write this in fraction? No. Why? Because these parts are equal. But this one part, if you have to write what is the shaded part of this circle, we cannot represent that in fraction. Why? Because all the parts are not of similar size. ये important होता है. जैसे यहाँ पे we can write it in fraction like one part is shaded and how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 parts are there. So you can write it in this way, but we cannot represent this in fraction because this shaded part is not equal to the other that divided parts. Okay children? Now let us come to the next is the types of fraction. So children, here I am with you with a new topic, that is you should know whenever you are just studying fractions and decimal, first you should know what is fraction actually. What is fraction? That is a part of a whole. Second thing, what are the different types of fraction? Fraction is of different types. See, the first one is proper fraction. What is proper fraction? Proper fraction means where the numerator is less than denominator, right? Numerator is less than denominator means numerator we are writing above and denominator we are writing down. If the fraction is 2/3, this is a proper fraction. इसको हम proper fraction कहते हैं. जहाँ पे हमारा numerator जो होता है that is smaller, वो छोटा होता है denominator से, राइट. नाउ कम टू द सेकेंड. 2/3 हो सकता है, 3/4 हो सकता है, 1/4 हो सकता है, and so on. Okay children, now let us come to the next. A fraction which is not proper is improper. Means when your numerator is greater than your denominator, when your numerator is greater than denominator, then it becomes what? Improper. Now see, this is your numerator and this is your denominator. When your numerator is greater, that means 3/2. आपके डिनोमिनेटर से आपका न्यूमरेटर बड़ा हो जाए, तो ये फ्रैक्शन कैसा है? दैट इज नॉट प्रॉपर, दैट इज इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. You can write 4/3 and 3/2 and etc. etc. Come to the next, that is mixed fraction. What is mixed fraction? Mixed fraction वो होता है जहाँ पे combination, we can say it is combination of whole number and what? Fraction. Means ये हो गया fraction. Suppose I have written 1.5 marks. 1.5 marks. That means what? 1 is a whole number. See, this one is a whole number. और इसके साथ क्या है? इसके साथ fraction है. Means 1 1/2, 2 1/2, or 3 4/6. Anything. Means where you are having one whole number and one fraction. This is known as mixed fraction. Mixed. Okay. Proper or what? Fraction is mixed. Okay. Now let us come to the next, that is what? Unit fraction. When we are saying unit fraction, unit का मतलब क्या होता है? आप सबको पता है unit मतलब क्या होता है? 1. तो unit fraction means when your numerator is all 1. When the numerator of the fraction is 1, denominator may be anything, but numerator should be 1. Suppose I have written 1/2, I have written 1/3, 1/4, 1/6. These are what? Unit fractions, right? Okay, now come to the next two, that is like and unlike fraction. Like and unlike fraction की जब हम बात करते हैं, that is not a single fraction. तो हम we are taking 2 fraction, 3 fraction or more than 1 fraction. When we are taking, then we can see yes, these are like. When means जब comparisons की बात आती है, तो like और unlike fractions की बात आती है, right? Now see, I have written 2 fractions, 2/3 and what? 4/3, right? So what you can see common in these two? These two common is what? Its denominator. Its denominator is common. जिसका denominator same होता है. ठीक है? Fractions अगर 2 fraction दिए, 3 fraction दिए और उसका denominator अगर same है, तो क्या वो कैसे fraction होते हैं? They are like fraction. Right children? So what is the main how you'll define it? You can define it, the fractions which is having same denominator. Examples are 1/3, 2/3, 4/3, 5/3 and etc. 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 Whatever. बस आपको याद रखना है denominator same होता है. Now what is unlike? जिसका denominator same ना हो. Suppose I have written 1/3, then I have written 3/2, then I have written 4/3, 4/5. So what you can see here? You can see here the denominator is 3, here it is 2, here it is 5. इस केस में क्या होता है? फ्रैक्शन अनलाइक हो जाता है. और यहाँ पे जब भी फ्रैक्शंस अनलाइक होते हैं and we have to do mathematical operations, उसको प्लस करना है, माइनस करना है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है, not multiplication, प्लस और माइनस करने के लिए mainly what we are taking LCM of these numbers. Means firstly we have to make this like. हमें पहले उसको like बनाना पड़ता है, फिर उसको ascending order में change कर सकते हैं, descending में change कर सकते हैं, प्लस कर सकते हैं और माइनस कर सकते हैं. So children, here are the types of fraction. In our next video we will read more about this, not of that types of fraction. उसके बाद जो topics हैं वो पढ़ेंगे. मिलते हैं अपनी next video में. Till then, goodbye, subscribe like and share my channel. Thank you.